This is an OKPRO street lamp. It throws a lot of lumens, it takes a number of hours to charge, and runs all night. We're going to open up the product, show you how to install it, set it up, and where to go about. This is model 0800D. 1440 LEDs, 2835 diode. 7000 Kelvin, 30 amp hour battery, 6 volt, 37 watt unit. It is a large size with the dimensions of 29.5 by 13.5 in diameter. That is a large light. So we're going to open this up, show you how to install it, what it's all about from dusk to dawn, that the light goes on 100% down to 20% with motion sensor. Since it's not a nice day, we're still going to install it, allow it to charge for a few days. As you can see how everything is nicely packed. You have the remote control and the hardware all laid out. The bracket to put on the pole, if you want to stick it to the wall directly, make sure it's facing the right way. Onto the pole with the 4 bolts, washers, and nuts. Take it out of the box, be careful not to shine in your eyes. There's an on and off switch that we could test the unit out. On a nice tall pole on the wall, wherever you want to put, you got the instructions and all the information provided. This is a solar array panel. It collects the sun all day long. These are all the LED lights. There are 3 rows. This is the on and off switch. Press it firmly, the light comes on. Press it firmly, the light shuts off. It can be controlled by the remote control that you're going to supply your own AAA batteries. This is the on button. This is the lights. This is the timer. This is the motion sensor, dusk to dawn. Okay, so we know everything works and every part's here, so we can go ahead and do our install. And you may need a helping friend to put the actual piece on. But the lights, they are going to be very powerful at night. This will light up the nice driveway where we have, and we'll try our best to show it in the evening hours for you. So let's go and install the unit, show you how simple it is to do. You don't have to have any electric hooked up, no wires, no nothing, just enough height, 28 feet distance to run the unit. The higher you do this, the longer the radius of the light. And we're only going to put it up what we have, about 12 to 15 feet up. Let's go do the install. Find the spot, grab your lag bolts, whatever bolts you have to get this thing going up there. And I got my drill, my bolts and everything. And I got a spot where I want my unit to go, right about here. With all 4 bolts correctly in, we're ready for the next step. To put the unit on with the Allen key and bolt. Place on the correct side, place this to the sun. A few minutes later, we're all set up. Slide on and carefully slide it down. With the Allen key and the bolt, you're going to match up and start to lock it into place. Once this goes in and locks down, the only thing you need to do is look for it for charging, turn it on, and come back later and set it all up. AAA batteries, just correctly put them in. Close the door up, on button, auto button for the evening, and all we need to do is come back. OKPRO is lit. We're going to turn the OKPRO street lamp on by hitting the upper left button. That will just keep it on for a number of seconds and shut off and will not turn on. In order to continue to keep the unit on, you will have to hit the auto. If you do not want to have the PIR sensor working, on the lower right is the wireless, and you will hit the wireless to be in the off. As I hit it on, it's a to blink. If I want to keep it off, I would have to probably hit it again. We have the ability to raise and decrease 9 levels. And we'll show you that in a number of seconds. We'll allow this to get dim. Now I want to keep this on off the the wireless sensor so it doesn't trigger when somebody walks. So I'm going to walk underneath, and you can see how it triggers for X amount of seconds. I am going to dim it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am on the dimmest. So I'm going to raise it to the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that is it. 9 levels. Now we're going to just hit it on auto to cancel the Wi-Fi. Basically, to cancel the Wi-Fi, the PIR, I shut it off and then I went on to auto and I have it set to a light, and now it's going to stay like this for the whole evening, dusk to dawn. I hope this is something that maybe you are looking for to brighten up the area by you, your driveway, a parking lot, your business, your residential, your long path to your house, so forth, by your shed. Anywhere that you need to have light, that you can't hook electricity up, that you want to run off of, you know, everyday energy of the sun and evening hours. This is great all year round. It works great for the winter time. It works great for the winter. So there you have it, the solar street light doing a great job collecting the sun to recharge and work all night long, every single night. The solar street light from You Got It, OKPRO, does a great job. It will brighten up your area wherever you want to put. I hope you enjoy your street light if this product is right for you.